Prime Minister Andrew Holness says this year's Jamaica 60 Diaspora Conference, set to be held in Kingston, will bring Jamaica's past and future into focus. The Prime Minister shared his thoughts on Jamaica's Diamond Jubilee at the launch of the conference on Friday. Gabriel Thompson has more in this report.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says that this year's Diaspora Conference is significant as Jamaica is celebrating 60 years of independence.
If we have learned anything from the past 60 years, it is that in true Jamaican spirit, we must strengthen our resolve to build that which works, that which offers prospects for progress, that which nurtures the human spirit and leads us to chart better pathways for our collective development.
Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson-Smith, says the conference serves as a call to action.
The government recognizes that our nationals overseas are key actors on the international stage and that your sphere of influence in your host countries are of tremendous value to Jamaica. As investors, philanthropists, bridge builders, brand ambassadors, lobbyists, marketers, and of course, consumers.
Minister Johnson-Smith says the conference will provide the necessary forum to widen discussions on relative issues of trade,
such as digital public service delivery, digital skills for the general workforce, digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and reliable, secure data flows. So you all know, understanding why Prime Minister is here, right? It's his digitization agenda. Absolutely. We invite our diaspora members and the public and private sector to consider these issues in their respective deliberations.
She says these discussions will allow Jamaica to position herself more strategically in the global political economy. The three-day conference, which starts on June 14, will be held in a hybrid format, facilitating the participation of Jamaicans across the globe. Locally, a maximum of 50 participants will be attending in person at the Foreign Ministry building and a virtual platform which will host an unlimited number of online audience members.